I'm just gonna put this right here. Hey, y'all. So what am I doing here?
Crazy, but that's how it goes. I feel like I'm chosen. I'm covered in gold.
Welcome back, friends, to a special unboxing edition of Fauntleroy's Finest, featuring the lovely Lady Fauntleroy.
Nice.
Mr. B. Wright, there she is.
Hey, y'all. And hey, Mr. B. Wright.
Today I'm going to go through all the stuff that I grabbed while I was on my work trip on a ship for 3 weeks. It's for work.
Wait a minute!
I've got a bunch of stuff from mostly Supreme, obviously, but I do have some FTP, Palace, we have coins that I bought. We're just buying all kinds of dumb shit here.
You're well on your way to becoming a hoarder.
Seriously, what the fuck are you doing?
Becoming a hoarder starts with lots of boxes, I suppose, so let's just dig into it. I have a ton of stuff, it's gonna take forever, so let's go. Look, she's already opening one. This is from the Palace Evisu collection. Palace Evisu, I bought a hat, they gave us a sticker, look at that.
That's pretty good.
This hat,
Oh, that's cool.
yeah, it didn't sell out or anything, but I thought it was really cool, and I kind of wanted it for a personal. It was kind of expensive for a trucker hat especially. Evisu is a Japanese blue jean company. It's made out of really high quality denim. The back as well, if you can see, it's not just like trucker net mesh. It's a little bit nicer than that. It feels like somebody actually made that.
It's the hat you wear with a plain colored t-shirt.
Yeah, I think so. This is a really cool one, but yeah, it's definitely busy on top, but it's not that bad. It kind of blends into the hat a little bit. It might end up being personal, but I'm gonna hold on to it for a little while either way. What are you grabbing next? Oh, we got another one. Oh, another bag. Okay, I got this for the kid, actually. This is a Gon's name tag short sleeve tee. It's actually a really nice little tag on the front. It's like a patch more than an embroidery. The kid is not going to fit into it for a good long time.
Several years.
If he doesn't fit into it before it starts accumulating wealth, it might get sold and he'll get something else later down the road.
I don't know.
A bag.
Okay, a bag. Do you want to open this one? I'm getting you scissors. Why don't you... Ah, you gotta wait. I got scissors.
Any deck of cards.
Oh, this was in the other one too. I'm gonna have
Super
so
cute.
many of these.
Yeah, you have a bunch. Ooh, maybe you could put one in the fishbowl.
Okay, that's a good
Or
idea.
two.
There you go. Fishbowl winner. You're gonna get a pack of cards. The rich get richer.
A box. You open a little box.
Oh! Do you know what that is?
I would guess it's a lighter.
I would guess you're right. You're right. It's one of the blue ones. Try to get out of the light. It's one of the blue ones. Pretty nice little lighter there. I'm not sure if they resell that much or not, but it is kind of a neat little collector's piece, and they're not that expensive anyways.
Kind of reminds me of a Lego piece.
Yeah, they've made those before, but I kind of like these ones a little bit better.
Yeah.
They're not Zippos, let's just be fair.
How many lighters do you have?
I don't know. Too many. I don't think I've...
Throw it in the fishbowl.
No! It's getting crazy now. Oh! Alright. Oh, okay. Oh, yes. The Hex Bugs, the Nano Hex Bugs, they're little robots. I grabbed this on a restock. I told Lewis I'd give him one of these. So I'm giving Lewis this guy right here in the back. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna do a race on a YouTube short. I'm gonna raffle it off and you guys will win another one of these. I'll send them to you.
Good luck, y'all.
Good luck, y'all. Yes, more in the bag. We've got...
Wait, there's
oh,
more.
I already promised this to somebody in the Discord, so this is the Supreme True Religion beanie. This is literally the only thing I grabbed. Okay. Nothing too crazy on this one. It's just the True Religion logo with Supreme over the top of it. But I already promised this to somebody, and I told him I'd give it to him for retail.
That's awesome.
Oh, yes, and what a brick cart. That was the brickiest cart ever. It's a bottle opener keychain, so at least it has a purpose. Stickers.
Fishbowl.
Oh, okay. This was a surprise. I didn't even know that I got these.
Surprise, motherfucker.
Mini cards.
Oh, every single one of these have had cards. Maybe that last one did not, but every single one of these I think has cards in it. We're gonna be swimming. Swimming cards. Air Force Ones. 10.5.
Stop it. Get some help.
We've seen them before. It's nothing new. It's nothing crazy, but they are nice and clean, aren't they? All the Supreme Air Force Ones come with those. The red laces that nobody should put in there. They're a bit much. You got so many box logos on those laces now. I was shocked that I got those. Did not get an email on these. Did not get a purchase.
Oh, what is a nice surprise
Yeah,
then?
I don't.
You
These
just-
might be free. I don't know how they were paid for.
Maybe they were a gift.
Maybe. Thank you, whoever sent me these.
Call me on the cell phone.
All right, here's one. I'm gonna say this is a hat.
I was gonna say t-shirt.
A hat?
And a t-shirt. We're both right.
High five.
Hey.
Yes, come on. All right, so this is the waxed camp cap green, and then this was the other name tag logo.
I like this one better.
That's a black XL, so that one is definitely a better buy.
I like
this was not a brick cart. And look, obviously, again, another set of playing cards. These hats are pretty nice, too. I still don't know how much I love the two-tone on them, but it's at least it's something different, to be fair. Again, these should be fine. Good down-the-road items. Would have rather had a black one, but whatever. That's what she said.
Don't you dare.
Okay, this is another box. Getting this one open. Watch out now. I'm cutting.
Don't cut yourself now.
Ow! I'm kidding. I'm an actor.
Acting!
Haha!
Brilliant!
Ooh, a mini cards.
Can you believe it?
Yes.
Oh.
Ooh, what's this one?
But I hope this wasn't a single cart, because I tell you guys not to do this. It's a black hat, though, so it's the black camp cap from, I think, week 1, maybe. But yeah, this is a good seller. These are great hats. It's classic, just black camp cap. I like when they put stuff on the side of their hats. They don't do it that often, actually, so this is going to be a decent hat down the road. Probably already is. I do hope I got something else with that one, though, for sure.
You probably did, but it's not this.
Oh, okay. This is the least hype beast thing I've bought.
Oh, God!
It's just straight silver, G.
Oh, look, and you have a little certificate.
I got 3 of these. These are silver 1-ounce coins. Just some silver dollars. I got three of these, so yeah, I'm a nerd. What do you want? That's $3 whole. Ain't nobody got time for that. Okay, this
Another box.
Probably another hat. All right, here we go. And obviously we got cards. They must have made a billion of them. I mean, bicycle is the winner here. Bicycle cards are the winners. Yes, sir. We got one of the no comp box logo new era fitted hats, size 7 3/8. That's a big old hat. But yeah, so this is the green one. These completely sold out immediately. I was looking to get a brown one. I think the green one still looks fine. I do like the ones with the pink underneath, and you see that it has the little stitching underneath there, which I don't really ever see that very much. It says no comp. You gotta do it that way. It has like the opening day patch on the side. Oh, you know it. World famous. Stitched in the back, people.
Tripping, bro. You tripping.
That was a sad little single cart, but I'm okay with that. So there you go. There's that hat. I gotta... And it's broken now. Worth nothing now. All right, another box. One of the brown hats. So yeah, here we go with the brown version of that hat. I'm probably gonna steal one of these eventually. I don't know. Depending on if they just go bananas and I gotta get rid of them. It's just the two-tone is a little bit weird, but these are really nice hats. Like these...
No, yeah, for sure. Really sturdy.
Well, this
durable,
is like
waterproof.
This is made out of a wax cotton, so the material is actually a really nice material. They did a collaboration with another place called Barber a year or so ago that had these. These hats are pretty nice, and again, I was into the brown one, I think, a little bit more. And the black one was good, but it just didn't have the two-tone. Yeah, cards, obviously.
Good.
Let's see this sucker. It's huge!
That's what she said.
Hopefully. Obviously, this is a deck. Oh, look at that sucker. This is the one I wanted. I'll probably replace one of these suckers back here with this one really quickly here.
Nice.
It's a hard cut to make. I'm gonna have to put more decks on the wall for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's a really cool
That's
piece.
really cool.
Yeah.
Wow.
And then the other side. So yeah, this side has all the writing on it. I can't get it without glare. That's crazy. I've never seen the free gift in the decks before, so that's pretty crazy.
Yeah.
Watch yourself with those. They tape the hell out of them. All the eyes. Those are kind of nice.
The eyes have it.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Actually, the eyes aren't as bad in person.
Do you remember that show Home Improvement?
Yeah. Oh,
Hello, neighbor.
go away. Yeah, anyways, the glare's terrible on these because of the cellophane on the front. But yeah, they look really cool together, huh?
Oh, there you go. If I just like tilt it.
Yeah, you gotta tilt it a little bit. In person, the eyes look better than they did on the site, but this one still is
These
sick
are
little
so
boy.
cool. I like the story on the back.
Is that a deck in your pocket, or are you just happy to see me?
And it's a deck.
Oh. We got like all these boxes here.
Oh my.
Alright, so this one is from FTP. These are probably just gonna be personals. I think these were heavy bricks, but I kind of like them. I haven't had a FTP hat, so I just want to see what their camp caps are like. It is kind of a busy hat. The shirt actually matches it. It does look better on
It's
the...
busy on busy.
I wouldn't wear them together.
Yeah.
I like the little pattern, and I actually wanted the shirt, and I saw the hat, and I impulse got the hat.
Oh, it's the impulse
Yeah,
buy.
I just really wanted the shirt. I've never bought the right size for FTP. I don't know what size I am, so I got this as a medium. I want to see if it actually will fit me.
Does it typically run small?
No, they're huge.
Oh,
FTP
okay.
runs huge.
Yeah, boy.
Generally, I wear a large, and FTP large, I'm like a little child. It's like I'm a toddler in that shirt, so I have to get a medium.
Yeah.
That wasn't the most successful FTP. That was kind of FT brick. What is in this one? All right, look at there. Oh, this is the blue one. You might steal this one from me. I thought this was the coolest one of the bunch.
Ooh.
And it has the yellow, so it's like totally Michigan kind of themed camp
That's
cap.
cool.
It's a
I like
really
this
nice
one.
blue as well. Obviously, black is always better. If they would have put yellow on the side of the black,
Yeah.
that would have been where it's at. But
This is cute too, these little buttons on the side.
yeah, I know, and it accentuates the yellow on this
Mm-hmm.
side too. Well done color on this hat. Ooh, this is the Crow long sleeve shirt.
Uh-oh.
Enemy spotted.
This may go into your personal collection.
I don't think it has a choice. I don't think anybody wants this. On the back of this shirt is the same thing that's on the back of the boards. It says it has that whole
Oh,
list. Is
that's cool.
Yeah, when I saw it, I was
That's
like,
cool.
that's a cool shirt. That's a waste of money. There you go. Sorry about that. My bad. Set of cards, though, so all is not lost.
Can't get much better than this.
Oh my god. Wow. See what this is, boys? These are the paint sticks.
No.
Look at how tiny,
y'all.
Look at how little these are. Has anyone shown these off? I haven't seen them yet. I'm gonna do a drawing. Me and her will do some drawings with the Supreme paint sticks, and you guys
Wait,
can
actually
vote.
draw?
Yeah, we're gonna draw. We're gonna use them. Let's use them.
Okay.
I remember this was for free shipping because this cart came with one of the decks.
That's what she said.
Okay, yeah. So these are the hand mixed paint sticks from Supreme. They're like a marker. They're about the size of a marker. I don't know. I thought they would be like paint sticks, not markers. But again, we'll try to use them. We'll see what we can do with it. Sometimes the paint sticks are a letdown. What can you say?
What are you looking at?
And
Hey!
another deck of cards, though.
Hey!
We'll be able to play the most insane game of war
Oh my
ever
gosh.
with so many cards.
Never ending even.
You know how much those were? It was $44.
No way.
Yeah, but I saved $14 on shipping by
Wow.
throwing them in a cart, so technically I spent more money on them.
I am the one.
This is a decent card. I think this one also came with one of the decks. People were talking shit about this hat. It's a Fedora Teflon, so you can't get shot. Bullets will not go through this. That's what that means. Teflon, right?
I'm not taking that risk.
Don't do that.
Don't do that.
Bullets go through things. That's why
They
bullets.
do.
I thought it was cool because it has that little box logo on the top of it. The other ones I wasn't a big fan of. I like that it's different. It's not the same as every other hat that I've pulled out. Looks exactly the same. Thank you for being different. This was a good card. Black, so I got the black Teflon one. And this is the Ripstop camp cap. All the lines, if you're in the dark and you get hit by light, it kind of does like a rainbow Ripstop color. And we grabbed the purple keychain.
Hey!
You like that?
I mean, it's purple.
This thing sold out instantly, just because it's different, I think. Usually they just do black and red. You know what? This is the last item.
I don't care.
I felt like that didn't take as long as I thought it would, but
It was a lot of boxes.
it is a lot of boxes. It's
Yeah.
still a lot of boxes.
You
And I
can build
gotta...
a fort.
Well, what did you learn today?
I learned that Supreme sends lots of bicycle cards. You got 2 pretty cool skateboards. I learned...
Are you trying to tell me that you didn't learn anything today?
I really didn't learn anything.
So this is
new.
not. This is supposed to be an educational program, and now
I learned that at your 500th subscriber, you're gonna give people maybe a starter kit, resale kit, which I think is awesome.
yeah, I think that's a good idea, and I do think that I will try to figure out what that is, and I'm pretty sure I have about a month or so to figure that out either way, so let's see what happens there. Otherwise, that is about it for this video. Thank you to the Lady Fauntleroy.
Thanks for having me.
Mr. B. Wright is only subscribing to me because of you.
No, he isn't.
That's what he wrote it. There's proof. She has a fan. It's your number 1 fan. It's the only one that comes out and says it anyway. There you go. Thanks guys for watching this. I appreciate you sitting through this big giant video of unboxing. Let me know if you guys grabbed any of the things that you saw here, if there's anything here that you were wanting to grab and you didn't. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you
On the next video.
Whole Foods shopping. And she work out every day, you know them news popping. Stomach going apple cider vinegar, she do something to me.